Today we are going to start lesson 2. Okay. In Arabic, it's called ad-Darsusani. What is that?
Lesson 2.
Yeah. What's the Arabic?
Ad-Darsul Thani.
Ad-Darsusani.
Ad-Darsul Thani.
Yes. The first
Lesson 2.
was, yeah. Lesson 1 was ad-Darsul Awwal. Ad-Darsul.
Ad-Darsul Awwal.
Very
Lesson
good.
1.
Yeah. So before starting the lesson, we can read first the points to remember. What do you think?
Yeah.
So here you can see that points to remember, that in this lesson we learn the use of zalika. It means that. In the previous lesson we learned the use of hada, right? Hada means this. What is close to you, you have to indicate that. And zalika means, yeah, it indicates in distance. Okay, zalika, that. Okay. And another word is wa. Wa meaning and. Wa means and. Okay. So let's see. This is a house and that is a mosque. So the Arabic is, no. This is a house.
Oh,
this
haza,
is
yeah.
Hada baitun. Yes.
Haza baitun wa dhalika masjidun.
Yeah.
And that is a mosque.
Very good. Hada, this, baitun, house. So hada baitun means this is a house.
This is a house.
Wa and dhalika means that. And masjidun means mosque.
Masjid.
Yeah, mosque or masjid. Wadhalika masjidun means and that is a masjid. Look at this. Dhalika is pronounced dhalika. Okay. There is a harful haruf madal. You can see here dhalika. Yeah, there is a. Yeah, right. But it's written without alif. Okay, you can see here. But you have to make long sound there. Dhalika, not dhalika.
Dhalika.
Yes. The word wa is written close to the following word. Okay. Yes. So now you can see here new words, vocabulary. Imam means imam. Okay. Sukkarun means sugar. Hajarun, stone. And Labanun, milk. Okay. Sukkarun, sugar. It's almost similar. Hajarun means stone. Labanun, milk.
Milk.
Yes. So let's start from the lesson 2, from the beginning. Look at this. Can you read this one?
Ma dhalika. What is that? Dhalika najmun. That is a star.
Very good. Then
Hadha masjidun. Wa dhalika baytun. This is a masjid and that is a house.
Very nice, mashallah. So now this one.
Ma dhalika.
No, this one.
Okay. Hadha hisanun wa dhalika himarun.
Himarun. Yeah.
Himarun. This is a horse and that is a donkey.
Very good, mashallah. And look at this. This one.
Adhalika qalbun. Is that a cat?
No, kalbun means what?
A dog. Is that a dog?
Very good.
Is that a dog? La dhalika kittun. No, that is a cat.
Yeah, cat or kitten, no problem. That's a cat. Okay, very good. MashaAllah. You said very well. So now the last one you can see here.
ما ذلك. What is that? ذلك سرير. That is a bed.
Beautiful. Very good. MashaAllah. So next page, you can see here.
من هذا ومن ذلك. Who is that and
Hada means this. Who is this?
who is this and who is that?
Very good. What's the answer?
هذا مدرس وذلك إمام. This is a teacher and that is a imam.
Very nice. Beautiful. So now the next one, look at this.
ما ذلك. What is this? ذلك حجر. This is a stone.
Very good.
ما هذا سكر.
سكر.
هذا سكر وذلك لبن.
Yes, هذا سكر وذلك لبن.
This is sugar and that is milk.
Very good. So now this page has been finished. Now it's exercise. Look at this. Exercise Arabic tamreen. Okay, tamreenun means exercise. Tamreenun means exercise. Here you can see that read and write. Iqra means read.
And waktub means write.
Very good, mashallah. So now next.
هذا سكر وذلك
هذا سكر
وذلك لبن. This is sugar and that is milk.
Very good. And now it's, what is this?
من ذلك. Who is this? ذلك إمام. This is an imam.
Very good. MashaAllah. So now the next.
أذلك قط. Is this a cat? لا ذلك قلب. No, this is a dog. كلب. No, this is a dog.
Very good.
ما هذا. What is this? هذا حجر. This is a stone.
Very nice. Okay. So what is this? Can you say? Al-kalimatul jadida.
Al-kalimatul jadidatu.
New
that
words.
Means new words.
Yeah, al-kalimatu means word. Al-kalimatu means words. Kalimatu. Okay, kalimatu is plural.
Means word.
Words. And jadidatu means new. Okay.
How do you know if Arabic word is in plural?
What?
If there's dhamma at the end, it doesn't mean it's plural.
No, plural has pattern. I will teach you later. Okay? Okay, inshallah. Here you can see that Imamun, Hajarun, Sukkarun, Labanun are the new words, right?
Yeah.
Yes, here you can see that Sukkarun means what?
Sugar.
Labanun?
milk.
Imamun,
Imam,
Hajarun.
stone.
Very good. MashaAllah, we have successfully finished the lesson 2. Inshallah, next class we will read on lesson 3. Okay?
Yeah.
Ma'as-salama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.